UW scientists expect breakthroughs in the coming year on how we treat concussions, all thanks to research with insects. News 3's Danica Lewis is on your side with science that just might surprise you.
Let's face it, every time a parent puts their little player out on a football field, they run the risk of a head injury. But what if a pin-sized pest held the key to curing concussions? Well, that's what a couple of UW scientists are trying to find out. When your fifth grader plays football, you expect head-on collisions. Doesn't mean mom, Trisha Adler,
come on, get him!
Doesn't worry about her son.
He's pretty tough, though. Concussion's going to be the worst. That's going to be something that's going to stick with him.
Luckily, there's a lab looking into hard hits. But you might be skeptical of the science.
With fruit flies? I don't know.
So what we do is we take these flies.
There's really only one way to test traumatic brain injury.
When we let it go, some of them are on their sides, some are upside down.
The building blocks of this bug's brain are the same as what's in our skulls.
So about 75% of the genes in flies are conserved in humans. So you can find a gene just like it in humans.
So UW genetics pros David Wasserman and Barry Ganetzky made the concussion connection.
Now as we learn this, we can personalize the therapy, find the right therapy for the right individual.
Studying the genes of these disoriented fruit flies, the pair could figure out who is most prone to the effects of brain injury before it even happens.
There's no real quantitative measurement. That provides the opportunity to actually measure something. So it provides some sort of diagnostic tools, biomarkers of traumatic brain injury.
Humans with wings.
Hey, bud.
Another 4 quarters.
Good game.
Free of injuries.
How do you think you'd react if you were slammed on the floor?
Something Trisha is happy to leave to the flies.
I hope his brain's a little bigger than that.
UW scientists have been drawing the link between fruit flies and human genetics for decades now, but the scientists on this project say it took tackling this topic to really get people to pay attention. In the end, they just hope more athletes will be able to prevent concussions in the future with the help of their research. For WISC News 3, I'm Danica Lewis.